going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I am your host, Terry, and welcome to the channel. Buy the dip. That's right, guys, just like the t-shirt. If you like it, you can get it down in the link below. First link in the description on the Teespring website. So go check them out, guys. Got shirts, hoodies, mugs, men's, women's, all on there. And guys, today I got a real special video for you. We're going to be talking about 3 SPACs that have been brought to my attention by you. That's right, the viewers. That's right, guys. So you get a little sneak peek of the first one here. So these 3 SPACs in today's video are going to be a great buying opportunity, guys, because you guys recommended them. So I'm going to do a little bit of analogy on each of them, and we will get into this video. So the very first one, guys, let's get to it. The very first one here is going to be ticker symbol GIX, Gig Capital 2. And you may be wondering, what is that? So we're going to get into it here. Here it is on the Yahoo Finance, but here is pretty much a good breakdown of what this SPAC actually is. Gig Capital 2 has entered into a business combination agreements with UpHealth and Cloudbreak to form combined company to list on the New York Stock Exchange, a unified and profitable global digital health company. So this is kind of reminding me a little bit of like telehealth. And I think the viewer that sent this to me basically said this is kind of going to compete with Teladoc. So as you see, guys, this is only $10 and change a share. So this was just posted on November 23rd. So it says the combined company to be named UpHealth will be an integrated global platform serving 4 of the fastest growing digital health markets: integrated care management, global telehealth, and digital pharmacy, the tech-enabled behavioral health. The company has significantly contracted growth across its establishment, U.S. and international footprint, providing exceptional visibility into accelerating top-line growth and profitability. In 2021, UpHealth is expected to generate over $190 million in revenue and $24 million in EBITDA. 69% of the 2021 increased revenue growth is already contracted. UpHealth is well positioned for predictable growth and profitability, enabling substantial reinvestment opportunities. So guys, I think this here is one that we need to keep on the radar, and I want to thank the viewer that sent that to me. And just a little programming note here, we're going to have some big news coming up here very shortly on this stock. So it's very key to keep this on your radar, because it has here in this other article that was posted on the 24th, they have the Gig Capital 2 has determined to postpone its annual meeting of the stockholders, originally to be scheduled and held on December the 3rd. Now it's rescheduled to December the 8th. As a result of the postponement, the annual meeting of the stockholders is seeking demand redemption in connection with the extension amendment on the agenda for the annual meeting, and must submit its written request to transfer the agent in accordance to the procedure and the proxy delivered to Gig Capitals. So guys, we got a meeting coming up very soon with the stockholders to probably get this merger going. So this is one, like I said, you guys requested it. We're going to talk about it. And let's look at the Yahoo Finance on it. Has a very small market cap now because it is just a SPAC. It hasn't merged yet. $228 million, $10 and change a share. Put this on your watch list, and let's see what happens, man. I think I recommended you guys AMWL and American Well, and that stock has now went from like 22 to 26, I believe, the last time we did it. And this is a great opportunity on this telehealth stock opportunity, guys. So one to keep on the radar. So let's get into our SPAC number 2 we're going to talk about in this video. All right, guys, and here is SPAC number 2. Ticker symbol DMYD. DMY Technology here on Robinhood. Here you can see the ticker symbol DMYD. Make sure you get that right. And it's currently $11.33, so pretty affordable. It hasn't really taken off or anything here if you look at it. So still a great time to get in this. And you may be wondering, what is it? Well, no, it's not Genius Brands. It's Genius Sports. And basically, this is a sports betting app in the UK, London. But they have a couple other neat features about Genius Sports that I think we need to dig into a little bit in this video. And you know how DraftKings has the sports betting and all, which is fine. But Genius Sports here does something a little bit different. They go a little bit above just the sports betting part of it. So it says the smartest team in sport. In sport, the fine margin, the difference between winning and losing. We build the innovative technology that unlocks the true value of official data, connecting the worlds of sports, betting, and media, so you can bring fans closer to the action and gain the winning edge. So what they're basically saying, guys, is that they're not only going to track doing the sports betting, but they're also going to have an integrative system that tracks the data between each sports. So I think that is very, very key, guys, that they are doing that. And if we go down here to, I think it was this one here, sorry. Yes. Look at all these partners that Genius Sports currently has, guys. Check this out. So we have FIBA, NCAA, NBA, AFC. They have the National Basketball League. They have PGA Tour and Premier League, Euro Basketball League, European Tour. So they have about here, 12 or so different sports partners they're already working with. And imagine if they get more here into the United States, which is possible. I don't know if there's really a company in the United States that is tracking sports data. So that to me sounds really, really interesting, guys. Sounds really, really interesting. And they're basically saying that you can realize your full potential of your data and grow your sport with cutting edge technology. So I think that is really interesting. And if we look here how they have this broken down, it has here their Genius Bets, the Bet Genius, and Genius Sports Media. And you can get on here on the geniussports.com, guys, and read over all this as you want. I just want to bring this to your attention. They're currently in 16 locations, 6 continents, but they have one vision. So I think that is pretty key here. And it says, our game-changing software turns sports data into profits for hundreds of partners around the world. We've gone from a crammed warehouse in London to a truly global operation. We are a team over 1,000 people in 16 locations. We're trusted by the biggest name in sports like the NCAA and the English Premier League and the PGA Tour. And the best bit, we're just getting started. Guys, this has a great opportunity. And if you go here to the market cap on Yahoo Finance, only $379 million market cap. So another great SPAC recommended by you guys that I wanted to bring to you guys' attention. So that is our SPAC number 2. So we're going to get into our last one, guys. So let's get into SPAC number 3. All right, guys, and SPAC number 3 is Trident Acquisitions, ticker symbol TDAC. And there it is on Robinhood. So all 3 of these can be purchased on Robinhood. And this one here is a pretty interesting one as well. There is an article here that basically says that Trident Acquisitions Corp announces binding letter of intent to combine with lottery.com. And if you go here to the lottery.com website, you can pretty much get your Powerball tickets, your Mega Millions tickets, the Lotto America tickets, and you can do all your lottery stuff right here on the app, man. You can download it, Android, Apple Store, whatever you need to do. And they have down here some results. You can choose a game, you can pick your numbers, you get your tickets. So it looks like you don't even have to go to the store. And it says you can play Powerball, Mega Millions in more states where you can live. You can also get winning numbers, draw dates, jackpot totals for hundreds of other lottery games. So that is pretty cool, honestly, that if they can get this merger through and you can do all this stuff here. Here you got people that says they love all the games that they have on there. And they said it's very convenient. From playing the lottery on your phone is easy to set up your account and playing within the moments. Lottery.com ensures safely utilizing industry-leading technology that verifies your identity, age, and location, and easy cash out. So that is pretty cool. Down here's a bunch of great reviews, a lot of 5-star reviews they're showing here, saying that it's really easy to use and everything. So I think that is pretty key, guys. This one here is a pretty interesting one. And if we go down here to this here, it talks about how Founded in 2015, the lottery.com is a leading online platform to play the lottery from your phone, offering official state sanctioned lottery games like Powerball, Mega Millions, and state games. So I think this is really key for this lottery.com, guys, because you don't have to go to the store and get your lottery tickets anymore, which is kind of big that you can get this now like right on your phone, guys. That's right. And get your tickets. You ain't got to worry about the rush. If the Mega Millions is up to $1 billion, you can buy a ticket right on your phone. But there is a little disclaimer with this one. They posted this one here also that they filed proxy supplement details terms for extension of business combination deadline. And as I read through this here, it says that they're going to have the meeting on November the 30th, and it basically allows them the ability to extend the date in which it has completed business combination by an additional 3 months, within the ability to further extend the additional 3 months. If approved by Trident's board of directors, Trident will be required to deposit additional funds into the trust under the following terms. So it looks like they're going to have to put in a little bit of extra money to get that extension that they're looking to get. But if they can acquire this lottery.com, man, that is pretty big potential news. So I just wanted to bring these 3 SPACs, guys, to your attention. So, and the last thing I didn't do, sorry. The market cap. Yes, we got to look at the market cap. Very, very small market cap. Now, like I said, all these SPACs are going to have small market caps because they're not officially merged yet. And this one's at 137 million. So, like I said, in this video today, guys, I just wanted to bring all these SPACs to your attention. And that way you guys can put them on your SPAC watch list and do your own research before you put any money in investing into them. And like I said, these 3 SPACs was brought to me by you guys. So the viewers have brought these to my attention, and now I'm bringing them to the whole channel's attention. And hopefully we can get some research, man. We can help each other out, learn more about these companies and which one has potential to put some money in. They all have great features. We got a telehealth company merging with 2 people. We got Genius Sports, which talks about sports betting and data. And then we got this one here, lottery.com. I mean, come on. These are all kind of different sectors. Which one do you like the best? You know, health, sports, or gambling? I mean, which one do you like the best? So, guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation. I love and appreciate every single one of you. So, guys, always remember to buy the dip. So, baby, let's